Hello and welcome to Herald TV's news bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Tense situation was witnessed at Belsaw as large number of locals confronted railway officials over the survey of double tracking. Locals from Belsaw gathered at the railway track opposing the survey by the RVNL contractors. They said that they won't let authorities destroy Goa, and however, heavy police force was deployed at the site. Belsaw locals confronted railway officials over survey of double tracking. The officials had arrived to do the survey with heavy police force with them. A tense situation was witnessed at Belsaw. A large number of locals confronted railway officials over survey of double tracking. Locals from Belsaw gathered at the railway track opposing the survey by RVNL contractors. The officials had arrived with heavy police force. Locals said that they won't let the authorities destroy Goa. However, the heavy police force was deployed at site to keep calm over the law and order situation.
आता परत हे रेल्वे ऑथॉरिटीज आणि त्यांचे प्रायव्हेट कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर परत आमच्या गावात येऊन आमच्या प्रॉपर्टीन ट्रेसपास करून सर्वे करपाक सोदता. आता ही सर्वे कसली, कोणेन एका परमिशन दिला सर्वे काडपाक? ही एरिया एक्वायर जाल्या, ही आता कितें बांदपाक सोदता? हे रेल्वे, रस्तो, हॉटेल प्रोजेक्ट कितें, कसलो ऑर्डर हा? आमी सरकाराक क्लियरली सांगपाक सोदता, ही घरां पळय इफेक्टेड जाता हे आमचे गांवचे लोकांचे आनी फिशरमॅन कम्युनिटीचे. गोंयचो फिशरमॅन हे प्रोजेक्ट जे कोणाक फिशरमॅनाक त्रास जाता, आमी आख्खे गोंयचे फिशरमॅन उठयले. हांव वॉर्निंग दिता सरकाराक, असले फालतूगिरी करू नाका. परत लोकांक त्रास करू नाका. 2008 एक्विजिशन येयल्लें अंडर लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड, आमी अपोज केल्लो. 2017 फेअर कम्पेन्सेशन एक्टान लोकांनी परत अपोज केला. परत आता अंडर रेल्वे एक्ट लोकांनी अपोज केला. जेन्ना लोकांनी अपोज केला तूं येता खंयचो? आता पळय हिल कटिंग केला, इलिगल हिल कटिंग केला हिंगा. तेच्या पयलीं एक लँड ओनर आसा आमचे जुवारी स्टेशना कडेन, थिंगा ट्रेसपास करून टॉयलेट बांदला. अरे चलना कितें?
I am here with the villages of Belsaw, Molo, also from Kansali, Arosi, Isursi. All the villagers have gathered here in solidarity with the villagers of Molo. This particular hamlet houses traditional fishermen, toddy tappers community, and there are over 30 houses which are going to be directly or indirectly be affected by the proposed illegal double tracking. Illegal, I'm saying, because this is meant for certain corporates to transport their coal. It is not for transportation of humans, for as was in the old days, or transportation of commodities like kerosene or food grains. Today they are transporting in the night time. About 9 or 10 rakes are passing by, disturbing the peace of our village.
I have come here because of railways want to take survey. I just been asking the question to Mamladar that first of all they are showing the plan on what ground they got this. That means they got a plan. It is they cannot imagine and just put. That means they have taken. First they were saying that they wanted 5 meters from me lengthwise, and now they are saying 9 meters. 5 meters only. There are some Munkar's houses which are going to touch, and first of all the Munkar houses are the lower level, and the railways are higher level. So you know if they are going to fill it up. And if they pay some commission to Modi and Bodi, they will put all the low quality material, okay? And that if that collapses, all the houses will go.
Now, last night, TCP Minister Babu Kavlekar said that he will revoke the permissions given to construction within the heritage site. Speaking on this, the Save Old Goa protesters said, Babu, don't just give us assurance. Please revoke the permission. Instead, also demolish the illegal structure by the 3rd of December. Meanwhile, AITC Goa in charge, Mahua Moitra, is sure to raise the Old Goa illegal structure issue in the parliament. Now, don't just give us assurance of revoking the permission, demolish the structure first, the protesters at Old Goa said. Last night, TCP Minister Babu Kavlekar assured to revoke the permission given to the construction within the heritage site. Speaking to this, Save Old Goa protesters said Babu don't just show us a lollipop by assuring to revoke the permission, instead demolish the illegal structure by the 3rd of December.
Welcome the statement from TCP Minister Kaulekar, which according to us is a very good beginning. That's being said, our two demands persist. Is for one order to be issued for the demolishing of the building that has caused irreversible damage to the protected area of the old Goa monuments. Be quick on your heels to demolish this structure before the 3rd of December. If not, all the Goan people and the lovers of this heritage site and the pilgrims who have come here to Old Goa, they are all ready to join us, and this will set a second record like Sunday. And before they are on their nerves, please demolish the same.
म्हाका हें समजना 50 मिटराच्या घराचेर रिपेअर अँड रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन म्हणून 400 मिटराचें घर कशें येता काय म्हणून आमच्या गांवांत आमी जर तर 70 मिटराच्या घराचेर 72 मिटर केले जाल्यार ते 2 मिटरांक लागून BDO पंचायत सगळ्यां कडून डिमोलिशन येता जाल्यार हे 50सान 400 जाता आनी इतलेय त्या असेंब्लीन एकल्याक पासून खबर ना म्हणटात ते.
नाल्यार ASIचो फायदो कितें तर ASI is a government agency. If the ASI cannot demolish that structure, what is the use? So I appeal to the government to demolish that structure as soon as possible.
Lok Sabha MP and Goa in charge of Trinamool Congress Party, Mahua Moitra, today visited the ongoing satyagraha against the illegal construction at Old Goa. She met the social activists and civil society members who are sitting on a hunger strike. She has promised that she will raise the matter in the parliament, which is all set to resume on the 29th of November.
Anna Gracias, but more important than that, what Anna is doing is drawing attention. I mean, hunger strike is not an easy thing to do, and she's doing it to draw attention to this problem, which all of Goa can see, all of us can see, but somehow the BJP cannot see. And you had this 51 square meter hut, fisherman's hut, which was on this piece of land, which belonged to the Pintos. They applied for permission, which is calling for repair, not for reconstruction, not for new construction. The Town and Country Planning Department went back and they changed it, said there was a 397 square meter structure. Today there's 800 square meter new structure going on with Bombay developers and politically connected BJP people from Bombay within an ASI protected site, within a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and we see complete silence. This structure has got to be demolished and the BJP government have got to do something.
Trinamool Congress Party member of the parliament, Mahua Moitra, has accused the BJP national president, JP Nadda, of trying to fool the people of Goa. Moitra took a dig at Nadda over his statement against West Bengal government during his public meeting in Satari Taluka. She said, "It is ironic that Mr. Nadda has come today and instead of focusing on what does the best, that is sticking to Delhi and speaking about what Mr. Modi is doing, he is actually wasting time in convincing people of Goa what they just should be full of."
A few hours ago, JP Nadda claimed that Bengal has the highest rate of crime against women. What do you have to say about that now?
I would really urge Mr. Nadda, after the drubbing he's got in Bengal, to at least have the decency and the shame to sit home for a few months, if not a few years, and then recoup. We are in Goa here. The man has come here when the BJP did not have a mandate to form the Goa government. They got 13 seats while the Congress got 17. They poached MLAs from other party and hobbled together a coalition. They failed spectacularly. Today, 6,000 people in Goa are at a heritage site protesting against the fact that they have illegally started construction inside an ASI site. There was the murder, I would say, the murder and death unsolved mystery of Siddhi Naik, which even till today hasn't been solved. Goans everywhere say they don't feel safe. There's rapes, there's murders, there's crimes against women. So I think it's ironic that Mr. Nadda has come here today and instead of focusing on what he does best, which is sticking to Delhi and talking about what Mr. Modi is doing, that he's actually wasting his time trying to go and trying to convince the people of Goa that they should again be fooled, and they didn't vote in the BJP the first time, but they should be fooled by him again and they should bring in the BJP. The people of Goa want change and it is happening. So Mr. Nadda, whatever you say, we are here to stay.
Now, it was the day 5 hunger strike of the striking JMC kiosk vendors outside the JMC complex in Bambolim demanding rehabilitation. These vending fruits and vegetable vendors for 25 to 30 years were shattered with the stroke of a pen when the North Goa collector ordered demolition of their kiosk near the GMC without taking the local MLAs into confidence.
आयज आमचो 5वो दीस आमी हिंगा बोल्ले आमकां अजून मेवपाक कोणूच येवना पॉलिटिकल पार्टी दुसरे येयल्या इंडिविज्युअलूय येयल्या कोण पॉलिटिकलूय पार्टी येयल्या आमी सगळ्यांक वेलकम करता आतां आमचो MLA आनी सांत आंद्रे तो MLA अजून एक्चुअली तेणी येवंक जाय आसले येवंक ना ते हय येयले येवंक जाय आसले एक्चुअली तेंचे आमी वोटर तेंचे आमकां आतां 5 दीस जाले हांव फोर्स करना तेंकां येवन जाल्यार येवं नाल्यार येयनाका न्हू आमी हिंगा बसून रावतले आमकां सीएमाचेर विश्वास आसा सीएमान जें सांगलां तें कॉन्फिडंटली तो सीएमान सांगलां ते आमकां विश्वास आसा सीएमाचेर आनी सीएम करतलो म्हणून आमकां विश्वास आसा आमकां एमएलएंक आमी सोडून दिले आतां ओके आमकां सीएमाचेर विश्वास आसा आनी गोवोरमेंटाचेर विश्वास आसा आतां ओके आतां हे
दुसरे म्हणल्यार तुमी सांगलेलें की काम चालू करता जाल्यार आतां फाटल्यान आतां दुरीग मोडला एक सायडीक सो तुमकां लागून कितें तुमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन हेजेर कितें
काल तेणी तें दुरीग मोडला आनी कितें काम चालू आहा अनऑफिशियली आमकां खबर आहा कितें चलता तें पूण आमकां कांय ऑफिशियली कोणें सांगूंक ना न्हू बाबा काम चालू जालां म्हणजे तुमी हिंगा बसा आनी मोरा अशें हेंचें जालां आमकां ऑफिशियल गव्हर्नमेंटाचोर बाबा हें काम आमकां लागून चालू जालां जाल्यार तेन्ना आमी डिसिजन घेतले कितें करूंक जाय तें नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन कितें आहा तें आमचें
तर तुमी अशें कंटिन्यूच आसतले
हय जेन्ना पासून आमकां कोण येवन आमकां सांगना ऑफिशियली सांगना तेन्ना पासून आमी कंटिन्यू दवरतले.
Once again on Friday morning, family members and children of the freedom fighters, families came out in protest demanding jobs and solution to their grievances. They said the chief minister had assured them jobs before Diwali, but after that nothing has been done. Until date, there is no follow-up on it. Now they have given 10 December as a deadline to Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant to solve their issues and provide them an assured job.
तुम्ही जी आश्वासनां दिता ती फटिंगपणाची अशी जाली आनी तुमी करता म्हणटा तीव फटिंगपणाची जाली अशाच फटिंगपणाची तुमचो आदर्श तुमी भुरग्यांक आनी घरान सांगतात काय हे सामकें चुकीचें आसा. आमची मागणी आसा जाता तितल्या बेगिनाच्या बेगीन ह्या डिसेंबराच्या 10 तारखेच्या भितर तुमी मेकळे करात. आमी 1 डिसेंबराक परत ह्या आझाद मैदानाचेर येतले मोठ्या प्रमाणान आंदोलन सुरू जाता. ताज्याच बरोबर पयले दिसा 1 डिसेंबराक हांगा व्हडले घराणे घालतले. घराणे कसले कोणाचेर तर फ्रिडम फायटर्स जे 1957 ते 61 भितर जांच्यांनी हांगा रक्त आपलें सांडलें मेले तांकां आमी आव्हान करतले की असले जे आसा आश्वासनां दिल्ले आसा तेंच्या मानगुटेर बसा आनी जो पर्यंत आमचे ह्या जॉबाचो निकाल लागना तो पर्यंत तांकां न्हीद न्हू तांच्या फॅमिलीक कोणाकूच सोडूं नाका. आमी सरळ म्हणटा कारण आमकां 2.5 वर्सां हांगा ज्या तरेन रडयला तेजें तांकांय कळपाक जाय तांकांय समजोवपाक जाय. आमी मागता सरकारा कडेन बेगीच्या बेगीन हाजेर तोडगो काडचो बेगिना बेगीन आनी सीएमान जें म्हटलां 60 आनी 40 अजून ताजो पत्तोच ना.
Today, the Goa government and the BJP has failed to protect and safeguard traditional and local fishermen in the state. The fisheries department has collapsed and there is no action on the trawlers violating rules and using and fishing close to the coastline, thus depriving traditional fishermen of livelihood, and hence they say that they will be forced to take act against the fisheries department. Speaking to media, they also said they have done many complaints to the fisheries department in the past, but there is no action till date.
आयज पळय फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट पळय आहा ती कंप्लिटली कोलॅप्स जाला आनी बायस जाला. आयज आमची फाटल्यान वेलसांव पळयल्यार बिचीचेर पळयल्यार हार्डली 500 मिटरान एक व्हडलो ट्रॉलर आसा फिशींग करता. आतां कायद्या भितर ट्रॉलराक 5 किलोमिटराची बंदी आसा तांकां 5 किलोमिटर भायर फिशींग करपा जाय. सपोज आमची जुवारी हाडीन आमचे मिनी पर्सनीक गेले जाल्यार थिंगा फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट येवन धरता आनी हिंगाकूय आसा फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट आयज LED लायट बुल ट्रॉलिंग फूल स्विंग जाल्यार थोडेक येवन LED लायट फिशींग करता. सो आमी डायरेक्टर जे शर्मिला मोंतेरो जी आसा ती कितें करता, तुका आमी एक लास्ट वॉर्निंग दिता, हे जे पळय इलिगल पळय एक्टिविटीज पळय आहा ते बंद जायना. गोंयचे फिशरमॅन भायर येतले आनी हे LED लायट आनी बुल ट्रॉलिंग बंद जायना जाल्यार तो आमी गोंयचे फिशरमॅन कितें आहा तें तुमकां दाखयतले.
डोंट यू थिंक दॅट हे फिशींग ट्रॉलर व्हडले ट्रॉलर हे इतले लागीं फिशींग करता, दे आर डिप्रायविंग द ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन ऑफ द लायव्हलीहूड्स.
नो सारकी आयज पळय हे पळय बोट्यो पळय तोडेक येवन आयज मालपेचे बोट आहा तेय तोडेक येता, आमची गोंयची बोट आहा तेय तोडेक आहा. म्हणजे बारीक फिशरमॅनान नुस्तें मारपाचें खंय आनी हावपाचें कितें. सो हें सारकें इनजस्ट जालेलें आसा. बारीक फिशरमॅनाक आयज नुस्तें ना, पेट्रोल वाडलेलें आसा, ट्रिपीचो कॉस्ट आतां 5,000 आनी इनकम 2,000 येना. सो हे जे पळय इलिगल पळय जाता सरकारान आनी स्पेशली फिशरीज मिनिस्टरान लक्ष घेवन हें बंद करचें म्हणून मागता सरकारान.
PWD Minister Deepak Pavaskar has assured that the western bypass stretch from Mongol to Komba will be built on slits and the mud dumped in the low-lying area at the site will be removed. Besides, preventive measures will be taken to avoid flooding during the monsoon.
हो वेस्टर्न बायपास जो आसा हो 2.7 हे काम पेंडिंग उरला. 2.7 किलोमिटर तितूंतले 9.80 हे किलोमिटर जे आसा एलिवेटेड ब्रिज येतलो हांगसर फ्रॉम फिश मार्केट होलसेल फिश मार्केट टू कोमा जो ROB रेल्वे ओव्हरब्रिज आसा थंय म्हटल्यार एलिवेटेड ब्रिज. आनी हीच मागणी आसली लोकांची, आमी ते हे बसयल्ले आसा. आता विषय जो आसा सगळो NGT आसा, NGTच्या जशें निर्णय येतलो त्या प्रमाणे बाकीचो हो जो 2.7 आसा तो कंप्लीट जातलो आनी वर्स भितर हें काम जातलें. आनी आमचे गांवचे ग्रामस्थाचे विजय बाबाजे आसले जे आमी आतां हें जें मड फिलींग केलां हें पायलींग करपाक, आमच्यो मिशनरी थंय व्हरपाक, सॉयल टेस्ट करपाक आनी मागीर खांबे काडपाक, म्हणजे ते थोडे दीस हें तशें उरतलें. आनी जेन्ना ब्रिज एलिवेटेड ब्रिज जातरी हें सगळें मड जें फिलींग केलां तें टोटली काडटले आमी. पूण तेज्या पयलीं हे आतां फुडलो जो मनसून सिजन येतलो तेज्या पयलीं हांगा क्रॉस आमी उदक पास जावपाक क्रॉसींग जें सगळें तुका जाय तशें आमी करून दितले. आनी बरो विशय मांडला खरें. आनी हे पयलीं आमचे ऑफिसर समज तेंच्या ऑफिसान वचून मांडलेले जाल्यार आयज आमी हांगा विजय बाबा आडेन आहलो, हे आमच्या ऑफिसरांनी मातशें पळोवपा येते. हे आमचे ऑफिसर म्हणून तुमी आतां ना.
And now for some sports. The win against FC Goa was a great start for us this season. The same spirit and confidence will be set to take on Hyderabad FC tomorrow at the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Fatauta, Goa, says the Mumbai head coach.
Yeah, it was a nice start for us. I've said this after the game, but that's all it was. You know, it's the first game together. We had 6 players making their debut for the club. And of course, we'd had some change in the coaching staff department. So to get off to the start that we did was very pleasing. There's a lot of work that we still need to do, and we've been addressing that over the last couple of days. I'll keep that to myself for the time being until after the game, but I'm happy to share that with you afterwards, hopefully.
In the starting minutes of the match against FC Goa, Mumbai were very high in their own half, giving no room to FC Goa to get inside. And then as Goa was shackled, Mumbai started finding their opportunities and pressing higher and higher. Was that always the plan?
We'll have a plan for every team we play. We've also got a style of football that we want to implement. And when I say style of football, it's not just when we have possession of the ball. It's very important, again, when we haven't got the ball, that we have a way of doing things that we want. But we also need to be aware that every team we play will have their different threats. So how we go about implementing that style out of possession will be different for every team. So that was the plan against Goa, and it worked in patches. There was areas we need to really tidy up in. And it'll be important, whether it's the Hyderabad game or ones after that against ATK and so on, that we're prepared to be able to do either similar things or work as hard minimally as we need to.
It was an important win for us. It was our first game. We're happy that we kept a clean sheet and we got the result that we wanted. But now we are more focused on our coming games, especially the one we will be playing tomorrow.
And now from the sides of IFFI, the Costa House was one of the first Goan film that was premiered at the International Film Festival of India this year. The producer of this film, Pramod Salgaonkar, and directed by Jitendra Shilkar. The Costa House is a Konkani crime thriller based in Goa, centered around the three criminals who escape jail and take shelter in house.
Basically, this film is a commercial film. It is not for festival based. It is a honor that we got into this slot, but it is more for an audience which likes commercial type of cinema. We are not here to give message and all those things type of cinema. We are giving pure entertainment and more up to the crowd which is like in Goa, where in South Goa or North Goa, who prefers the theatre and this type of it's a full to entertainment. You don't have to give your mind. You have to just entertain the 2 hours. You just entertain yourself and leave the audience like that. So this movie is for that only.
My message to our viewers is to patronize Kokani film, to watch in theaters if it comes, and to support. And that's how Konkani will flourish.
This is our attempt in bringing Goan cinema, Goan films, Konkani films out there and promoting the language, promoting the beauty of films. And it is, of course, an advice to many people watching out there to do participate, to take privilege in being a Goan, follow your culture, follow your language, and yes, promote the culture always.
Yeah, if we पयला कोंकणी movie आशिल्लो, and movie was very nice. What a thrilling movie आशिल्लो, suspense, thriller, and yeah, everything plot technically it was very nice, and really it was a very good movie. काय खुश भोगता की कोंकणीन असो एक movie तयार जालो, पळोवन खरेंच बरें दिसलें.
And now we end this bulletin with Cartoon of the Day image. Well, that's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV. For more news and updates and alerts, please do follow us at O Herald Goa on Facebook and Twitter. Until then, goodbye and take care.